Gates open, they're off and racing. Devil in Disguise moving up is Mesmerize. Baling Ganda running by the rail, then followed by Robin Good. Moving up is Primavera. There goes to A32. Next in line, Deep Rising. And moving up is Reality Show. Terrible Heart is by the rail. Next in line is entry number 4, and that's Golden Rhythm. Then followed over by the rail by Buenas Hope, Spartacus, and trailing the group is Mr. Islander as they turn for home. Mesmerize still leading the field. Balinganda is sneaking in down on the inside with the last 200 meters more to run. Balinganda takes the lead over Mesmerize in second. Robin Good is in third. Moving up is Devil in Disguise. And with the last 75 meters, we have Jonathan B. Hernandez on Balinganda. Second, number 6, Devil in Disguise. Then comes Mesmerize. Deep Rising close between number 10, Spartacus, and Primavera.